Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this. Let me introduce this Renault Clio head unit Android 8.0 oreo. Okay, please take out screen protector before using. Okay, this is UI interface. You can choose logo and set Renault logo. Okay. You also can change the theme color. It's just any color in the theme panel. Okay, let me show the setting. You can check car launcher HMA. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android head unit. Telephone number and email address. This GPS card, SD card. Okay, let me show the connecting the Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Settings, you can check the Wi-Fi. Let me show the SIM system. But motion, you can check model is PX5. Octa rack chip. Android version is 8.0 oreo. Okay. Let me back the home. Let me show the internet. Already connect Wi-Fi. Keep Google. Moscow. Moscow. Let me try again. Moscow. Sorry, you need to connect SSI because in China we doesn't using Google service. Okay, connected. Let me check again. Moscow. Sorry for my bad English. Moscow. 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 Don't catch. New York. Okay, it will search the New York automatically. Okay. Let me back and try other. What's the time in China? What's this?
The time in China is 8:57 p.m.
8:57 p.m. is China. The play automatically. Okay, let me check our website belsee.com. Okay, open our website. This new model for BMW. Okay, let me show the navigation. It's built in Google Navigation. Also can use the Google Voice. Moscow. I don't know why catch New York. Okay, it will search New York automatically. Can touch, control. Okay, let me show the music. It's you can check this design. Also can come with this dash. This design you can adjust this by also. These two different. Also this kit come with head unit. Okay. 2 USB cable come with head unit. Okay. Let's play the music. Volume control.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it to ride so I can live it, 'cause it feels right and it's so nice. And I'll do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better. And I like how it feels. I like how it feels. Oh yeah, I like how it feels. You know I like how it feels. Oh yeah, I like how it feels. Show me love, make us one. Let's make a beautiful world.
Amplifier.
Take my hand, it's alright. 'Cause tonight we can fly so we can live it. 'Cause it feels right and it's so nice. And I'm doing
I connect to the speaker.
forever, it gets better. And I like how it feels. I like how it feels. I like how it feels.
Okay, let me show the dual screen. It's about running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Okay. Let me show the video. Video disabled while driving for safety, so you need to set in the settings. Find the car, driving setting, watch video, turn on the watch video. Okay, let me play video again. It supports play 4K Samsung 4K video movies. It play Samsung 4K Diamond video. the octa. Okay, then we show the Bluetooth. This pin number 40. This is my Galaxy 8 Plus. Then we open the Bluetooth. Click search button. Okay, it gets my Galaxy S8 Plus. Then you will get the pin number. Put it 40. Click OK. Okay, it change the color. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay. Then we show the streaming music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay, that's all. You can connect to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.